All right, today we're going to make Thai peanut sauce. I realize I'm not Asian, but trust me, this is good. This is very good peanut sauce. Okay, so what we're going to have is we've got obviously peanut butter. You want creamy peanut butter. We have pure sesame oil. We have some soy sauce. I use Kikkoman. And then we have this red chili garlic sauce stuff, for a little spice. And then some lemon, some brown sugar, and you put a little water in it to thin it a bit so it's not so thick. And this is a great dipping sauce for the Vietnamese spring rolls right here. All right, so here we go. I don't usually do a lot of measuring. I mean, just get you some peanut butter. I'll go about 2 big spoons. Then we'll put in a little soy sauce. Not a lot, just a splash of some soy sauce. You always adjust this later. Then we can put in a little bit of this chili garlic sauce. That's probably too much, but it's okay. I like it spicy. And we'll put in a little dash of brown sugar. Maybe not that much. And we'll need to put in some sesame oil, just a few little drops. And we want to squeeze in some lime. Maybe a half of a lime, maybe a whole lime. We'll just adjust it. And then we are going to put in a little bit of water. Not a lot, but you want to kind of thin it up a little bit. Then, of course, you stir like crazy. It does take a little while to stir this up. Just stir. And it looks to me like I need some more water. It's okay to be a little thin. You definitely don't want it thick like peanut butter. You want to thin it down. You can add more. Plenty of water is okay. It's all right. If it gets too thin, you just put a little peanut butter in it. But you want it pretty creamy. Let's see what this tastes like. All right. It's not bad, but we have to add a little more of everything. Good squirt of sesame oil. Good squirt of soy sauce. Some more red, not the brown sugar. It seems to be sweet enough. And then some lime. Just go ahead, looks like a whole lime. Of course, I put a lot of peanut butter in there, but a lot of lime. And to be honest, I'm going to put some more chili because I like it spicy. And I may need some more sesame oil in it because I take it easy with that stuff because it's pretty powerful. And you can put too much if you're not careful. All right, that's getting pretty good. I think I will put some more sesame. plenty of lime in it. The lime is going good. And to be honest, I could probably use a dash more brown sugar. A little sweeter. Let's see what we got there. It's not bad at all. It's actually pretty good, right where it's at. But since I used so much peanut butter, I'm just gonna keep on adding some more of this stuff. I think I'll lay off maybe a small dash of the chili. Sorry I don't have any exact measurements. This is all to taste anyway. You're going to adjust everything to your liking. So these are just the basic ingredients. And you adjust it the way you like it. And that is very good. And so take your spring roll. Very good. Very good. That is Thai peanut sauce, but I actually think I'm going to put some more lime in it. So you see, these are the basic ingredients, but it's all just your personal preference from there. And of course, this is a rice wrapper. You just soak it in water for a minute. You get you some raw vegetables like we have here. Put it in the wrapper. Here's some cucumber. And that's how you make the spring roll. And so let's try this now. It's good. Thank you for watching. This is darn good stuff. And we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it.